Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HOTWAV Pad 8 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section let's scroll down a little bit to find the display. Now we have to scroll down to find the screen timeout, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds, and at the bottom the longest one, 30 minutes. So all we have to do in order to set the screen timeout is to tap on the option we'd like to use. Currently we've got 1 minute option applied, so let's tap on 5 minutes. It is immediately marked, and after getting back you can see that it is also notified right here, which simply means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.